Hello, Olivier from Wild and Game, and today with a Venison Koftas recipe, served with some homemade hummus. For the recipe we need 500 grams of ground venison, coriander and parsley, 2 shallots, some cumin spice, paprika and cayenne pepper, 2 pita bread, some olive oil, 1 can of chickpea, some tahini, lemon juice, garlic and the yogurt and the mint. Let's start with the ground venison in a bowl. Some smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, 2 good pinch of salt, some pepper, the 2 shallots, finely, 2 shallots finely chopped. Gonna chop the parsley. We mix all these ingredients together. Now we need to shape it on a skewer. So you wet your hands in a cold water and we do a little sausage shape and we put the skewer in the middle. We press it well. Now the venison skewer can go in the fridge the time we're doing the homemade hummus. With the homemade hummus, the can of chickpea drained. We put the chickpea in the mixer, 2 tablespoons of tahini, half of the lemon juice, some chopped garlic, finely chopped garlic with the tahini and the chickpea, half a cup of olive oil, cumin, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, pepper, good pinch of salt, the coriander, chopped coriander, now we mix it until a smooth paste. Here's your homemade hummus. It only takes 5 minutes. With a mint and yogurt dip, just 1 Greek yogurt, the chopped mint, and we leave it on the side. The venison soft koftas with nice seasoning on a soft side. A bit of oil in the grill. We need to grill them on each side for 5 to 8 minutes. This is the time to dress. The koftas are now ready. So we're going to put the hummus in a little dish. We add a little olive oil, some smoked paprika on it for the decoration, and some ground cumin. And there we are. The koftas are now ready to serve. Here's a lovely tasty venison koftas with a mint and yogurt dip, the homemade hummus, some olive and sun-dried tomato, and to go with the pita bread. Bon appétit!